Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which of the following fills the blank in the series below? Okay, and we have given the series C, VU, FG. Then we have to find the term here. Then IJKL. Okay, and then PONML. Okay. Now, here we can observe that after C, okay, if we skip two letters D and E, means here two letters will be there. Okay, after skip two letters we will get FG. Okay, then 2 minus 1 means one letter. If we skip one letter, H, we will get IJKL. Okay, now here VU is there, it is in reverse order. Okay, like two letters. Okay, we can see the relation for the next term first. Here if we skip one letter, okay, in a reverse order, if we skip one letter, we will get SRQ. Okay, and 1 minus 1, 0. If we skip 0 letter, we will get PONML. Okay, so our given sequence be like C, VU, FG, then SRQ, IJKL, and then PONML. So our correct option is option B, which is SRQ.